Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Tuesday. Let's take a look at what your learning will look like for today at home. So good morning. Today is Tuesday, September 22nd. And I just want to tell you how proud I am of you. You were such a rock star yesterday. You and your family went above and beyond and did such a great job. So thank you so much for your perseverance and your willingness to try something new. You did a wonderful job. Let's review what your learning will look like today. So everything's going to be in Canvas again. So boys and girls, when you go into Canvas, remember, look for our classroom. When you touch that, you'll get to our classroom Canvas page. And today is Tuesday, so you're going to be clicking on Tuesday, which will prompt you right into our Tuesday module. And you're going to hit Next to get started with your learning for today. It'll start with your reading slide first, and I just want to quickly introduce what our mini lesson will be. So our mini lesson, today we're going to learn another good reading habit that good readers do. And we're going to learn that when readers reread, so when we go back and reread a story, it actually helps us see more, and it helps us learn more about the story, which helps our comprehension. So our I can statement is that I can reread to see more. And then when we see more, we're improving our comprehension of the story. So I want you to watch the mini lesson in Canvas. Then I want you to practice that. Go into Raz Kids and reread a story that you read yesterday and see if you can see more and learn more about that story. And then find 10 minutes to do your iReady reading lessons. So in Canvas, this is what our reading page will look like. And you can see our I can statement. I can reread to see more. So you're going to click this link. That'll take you right into our video lesson for today. You'll also notice at the bottom of your Canvas page, this page here where it says Unit 1, Session 7. And that's just going to take you to a page that looks like this. So this is what the students are doing today in class. In the video lesson, the teacher goes back and rereads the story that we read together in class, Ollie the Stomper. And when she goes back and rereads, I'm just wondering, what were some details that you noticed? Now, you don't need to submit this, but if you just want to tell mom and dad, when you were watching that video lesson, what were some new details that you noticed? Then I want you to go into Raz Kids, and I want you to find a book that you read yesterday or you listened to yesterday and read it again. Good readers go back and they reread. And when you go back and reread today, I want you to think, what were some things that you noticed or you saw that you learned more about? Maybe something you didn't notice the first time you read. So practice our reading strategy today of going back to reread to learn more. And then once you're done with your 10 minutes of Raz Kids, then we're going to go back into Canvas. And on that sidebar on the left side of Canvas, we're going to go into iReady. And we know how to get into iReady. So log into iReady, click Reading, and we're going to do 10 minutes of our reading lessons today. For phonics, you're going to be watching the 4 phonics lessons from Mrs. Gilbertson, and you're going to need your blue folder that you got yesterday to help you with your phonics today. And our goal today in phonics is to learn the sounds of L, H, and K, and also you will learn how to correctly form those letters while writing. In the last video, Mrs. Gilbertson is going to ask you to take out your student notebook. You don't have your student notebook with you, so that last video, you can just go ahead and skip that. You don't need to worry about doing that. And lastly, boys and girls, for writing, our mini lesson today is we're going to learn about partnerships and storytelling. Our I can statement is that I can bring my stories to life by showing my characters' actions, talking, feeling, and thinking. So one way to help bring our stories to life and to add more details is by telling our story and reading our story to a partner. And our partner usually will have questions of things that maybe they want to know more of. So today I want you to watch our writing lesson. And you're going to see 2 teachers that model how to use a story partner to help us improve our writing and add more details. So I want you to watch that. Then when you're done watching that video lesson on Canvas, I want you to get out your writing from yesterday, and I want you to share it with your mom and dad. or somebody that's home with you. That's going to be your writing partner for today. And see if they have any questions or things that they might think that it's important to add, and try adding that to your writing today. In math, we're going to do lesson 7. And lesson 7 focuses on how to find different ways to make 8 and 9. So in order to be able to do this I can statement, we have 3 tasks. So the first one is we're going to complete lesson 7 in Zern. And then after that, I want you to complete your application problem, and you can do that on the paper copy or in Canvas. And then you're going to complete your exit ticket, and that's going to be your proof to show me that you understand our learning for today. So that will be done in Canvas, and then boys and girls, make sure you submit that by sharing that with me. So for math, we're going to go to Zern in Canvas on the left side, log in. And then when you're done with all of your lesson 7, keep going until you get to lesson 8. When you unlock lesson 8, you're done. Then you're going to go and do your application problem, and it's up to you if you want to do that right in Canvas or if you want to do it on the paper copy. And then the last part of our learning today is you're just going to click this exit ticket link, and then you're going to complete that right in Canvas, and that'll be submitted to me so I can see that you understand our learning for today. Thanks, boys and girls. I look forward to another great day together and can't wait to hear how your learning went. Thanks again for all your hard work. I appreciate you.